Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the presentation about the retrofit design build, leveraging advanced scanning technology and the cloud-based platform. Hi, my name is Rakesh Saka. I am a BIM coordinator in the Senior Smith. Senior Smith is doing the water, wastewater treatment plants and infrastructure, road transportation, and many more services we do. So today we are going to talk about how the new technologies are going to be helping us in the design and build world, how we can be deliver the faster, efficient designs to the clients to deliver. So let's move on the next page with the agenda. Yeah, we can go with the introduction. Then we going into the scanning technology, what advancements we have. Then we go with the cloud-based platform, how it works and all those things. Then we go with the scan to BIM process. So we can understand how the simple scan to BIM process it is. Then we discuss about the benefits of it. And at the end, we come to the conclusion. Yeah, the retrofit design. So what it means, like as a senior smith, we do a lot of projects in the US market where we have delivering the lot of water and wastewater treatment plants. Even we delivered lot of projects in the US. Nowadays, most of the water treatment plants come with a upgradation, and we called it sometime as a retrofit design, where the current environment and the output water quality and all those are changed with the government policies. So we are upgrading the existing facilities a lot. So upgrading the existing facility, it's kind of a open heart surgery kind of thing. So where we have to do uh, the new design, the new quality improvements in the process. So we want to do that. So for that reason, we have to do the a design such a way so the minimum impact on the operational side of it, but at the same time upgradation also be happens. So in this overall complex scenario, so retrofit design is it's very complex process nowadays. And very often it's often like the old projects having old record drawings, and record drawings, if we believe them, it's like it's very old, it's not matching with the current site conditions. And our so obviously if you do the design based on the old information, so the design also be comply with the old information. So it's not like to get the real existing condition. So existing condition assessment also be a big challenge nowadays. uh, with the technology we can get benefit out of it. So that's what the evaluation process is very complex. Getting the existing condition is a complex, but we want as a design to be in the precise information. So that is what we want it in a overall retrofit design. Require the existing assessment, precise information, and then planning of the new design. Advancements in the scanning will help us to cater all of these issues. Let's say example of we want exact site condition. So we go on site and take a photographs, but photographs always just are not to scale and just the photos. That doesn't give us other than visual aspect. So when we talked about this digital point cloud data technology, where we have LiDAR scan, we have the terrestrial scans, and we have all type of drone imagery, and there are many technologies are available in today's condition now. So we can utilize that point cloud data. So point cloud data is a data where we can get the existing condition in a precise manner. So where it's kind of a significant accuracy we can achieve with that data. So data, it comes with the most of the time the scan data. What we are be talking about the lidar scan data. It comes with a 360-degree photograph along with that scan data. So we will get the visual aspect, and which we can get the exact exact length, width, and all those be captured in a digital format. So digital is the important one where we can get the whole thing in a digital format. Benefiting of existing condition capturing is enhanced accuracy, the site survey, and we can do the better planning in the design because of we have the site condition in our fingertip. Improve the efficiency in a construction and engineering task means whatever that is new design we are expecting, so that we can be do with this exact scan data. Left hand side you can see that scan me is one of the QR code. You can try that, and how you can see the how simple uh, the technologies nowadays is going to be helping us to do the better and efficient design. Let's move to the next one. Is let's check out that how cloud-based platform will help us in the overall process. Typically, this scan data is comes with a lot of size, the big size data sets, and as well as the complex data set. So it needs to be processed, and even after the process, the processing has to be consumed by the design engineers and the modelers, and the people are sitting with the different geographic locations. So everyone as a collaboratively doing the design nowadays, but they have to consume this complex cloud data. So how we can manage that complex data? So we have the solution called cloud-based platform where we are uploading all the scan data, processing the scan data on web-based platforms. And once it is uploaded there, so we have that data availability everywhere, anywhere at any time. So everyone, any design uh, engineers are sitting in a geographically in different locations all over the world. They can collaboratively use this data, and they can collaborate with each other with the design the things. So it's all about the teamwork to be consume all that data. So this cloud-based platform is the helping in that. And in overall scenario, like you can see that we have the 360-degree photograph, we have accurate site condition on our fingertip with the we just need a web page browser and we can check that data. So it's eliminate the in-person site visit, which is saves lot of risk and the traveling and all this cost to the going on site to the do the simple verifications. So that we definitely going to be eliminated because of this technology available as a cloud-based platforms. So where the physical site conditions are all the time not good, you can see that this is photograph of one of the chemical area, and it's like a corrosive chemical area. And if you walk over there, so it's like it's spend time, effort, and the safety concern and all those things. So when we have the scan data available on the point cloud, on the cloud-based platform, and we can consume that. So you can see that how easy it is just to open the browser, do some logins, and you are on the site. You can just look at the 360 side of it. So you can see how it looks like nicely. So ultimately, what's happened is all in overall process, we can save lot of time and efforts to be getting the right condition on the site of the site. Let's check out the next slide with. So we talked about the retrofit design. We talked about the existing condition. We talked about the data, the condition we are getting in a digital format. And now the real work is happening in the scan to BIM process. Now you can see in the overall things, what we done here is to do the scan to BIM process. And the scan to BIM process is nothing but a collaborative effort between the within a team, design team, BIM team, and the scanning team. The scanning design team can define how much scan data they want it, which areas they want it. BIM team can decide how that consuming of that scan data and make it a scan existing condition exactly uh, as a BIM model. So that BIM model we can utilize in the construction. The cloud data uh, is going to be utilized. The retrofit design accuracy will be increased because of we done with the right site conditions we have. And also be the design quality is more higher because we have the right information, higher the accurate information we have. So to making a scan to BIM model, we're utilizing many softwares available in the market, and we have all type of the softwares available to make those scan to BIM process the models. Now you can see here one of the example where you can this scan is like point cloud scan, and we modeled it based on the scan. As right hand side you can see how the nice and clean model is available now for the new design. The site condition, left hand side, this example, you can see how the complex it is, and right hand side, you can see how the retrofit design model looks like. It's nicely be integrated with the existing systems. You can see the pink color we just shown here, the magenta color we are showing here to, to highlight what is the new design in this overall process now. And that is integrating with the existing condition. With this overall process, we can easily identify the construction problems. You can identify the operational issues and all those we can while we are designing. So our design is such a way which is fit to our purpose, obviously. So that is what it is then. Now, overall, let's look at the benefit of the project, like a risk management in a construction. Obviously, we have the site condition correct, so we do the design wisely, and we reduce a lot of known risk of the project. And proactive approach also, we can take it in the unknown risks and avoid the surprises while doing the construction. And financial efficiency, again, it and timeliness, it comes with the accuracy of the design and the purpose of the design, and get the timeliness into that. The overall, so cost definitely going to be benefited. And also, if you want to accelerate the schedule, so obviously we have the digital model and digital things. So obviously we can do more assessments, and we can accelerate the schedule of it. And one of the most important aspect about the health and safety benefits, because when we do the design, we already consider the safety in the minimizing our site visits, minimizing our the design conditions and design existing condition we know. So we better propose with the new correct site condition, new design, and also be health and safety perspective. We can more spend time on it and time and effort on the health and safety of the design. Let's move on to the conclusion. So advanced scanning technology, as we see here, is definitely be benefit to retrofit design projects, and it enhance accuracy and efficiency of the design, streamline all this construction and the operational process as well. And the cloud-based platform is very crucial because those going to be helpful uh, in the collaboration within a design teams, and it also gives us a lot of benefit to manage the huge data sets and all those. Ultimately, it's improve the efficiency, and the project outcomes comes with the whatever fit to purpose. Improve the health and safety practices also be in that along with that. So we can identify a lot of confined spaces, hazardous areas with the inspection visually we do over the cloud platforms. So ultimately, it's come with the health and safety benefits as well. And last, like operational issues also we can cover up. So that is how it overall it looked like. Yes. Yeah. What's happened next is happening now. So this is how we do the Seed and Smith, our designs and our deliveries to the client. So thank you so much. Be patient and be interested in this presentation. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you. If you have any questions, so you can ask. Thank you.